we wanted to just guide you through this assessment tool. So I'm just gonna hit start now. And there's obviously a lot of these questions also relate back to what Abby has mentioned before, but obviously with this assessment tool, it's a bit easier to answer those for yourself. So as you remember, Abby mentioned the distinction between a profit or non-profit organization. If you, I guess for most of you, it's going to be non-profit, a profit organization, obviously. But in case your business is a non-profit, so in case you would hit yes, then basically the assessment is already over. So because essentially the CCPA in this case does not apply to you. So we're going to play another more likely case now. Let's say that is more potentially more relevant to our audience, to you guys today. So first of all, is your business a non-profit organization? We're going to hit no here because we're assuming that most of you will have a for-profit organization. Then the second question is, do your users or customers potentially include residents of the state of California? Now, we're gonna hit yes here, and the reason is that unless, I'm assuming most of you will allow users or customers from California, so once we're gonna hit yes. Now, the third question is, does your website or app have at least 50,000 unique visits per year from US residents who potentially reside in the state of California? Now, this is maybe a question that you might not know to answer straight off the bat because you just don't know your user or traffic numbers exactly. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna hit no here. And then we have another question, question number 4, which is, do you process any personal data, including email addresses, name, email, geolocation, biometric, health, education, commercial, or electronic activity, plus employment or audio information from at least 50K Californian residents annually? So the annually is the important part here, obviously. It's not just per month, but annually is enough. And here, since it's probably likely, we're gonna click yes for the purpose of this little demo we're doing. And now we're just gonna hit the submit button. And as you probably expected, so in this case, the CCPA would apply. So we have linked actually our guide here as well. And you can also click this link down here, request to be notified when our CCPA solutions go live. If you do that, you get to the next step. And then you can simply leave your email address here to be notified and click OK.